Let's see how to obtain and print project drawings in StruBIM CYPE 3D. To do this, we select Drawings from the File menu or click directly on the Drawings button available in the top part of the general interface of the program. This way, we access the Drawing Selection window, where we manage the list of project drawings. To add a drawing, we use the first option that will open the drawing editor. We start by choosing the drawing type in the corresponding drop-down menu, among which we find 3D structure, foundation floor plan, foundation layout plan, 2D plane, and joints. If we choose 3D structure, in the central table we activate or deactivate the printing of the different 3D and 2D views of the model created previously in the window menu. Then, we enter the scale of the drawing. In section, we indicate whether the program should only draw the axis of the bars, or if it should represent their real section. By activating the checkboxes below, we can add additional information to the drawings, such as dimensions, grid, section type, bar lengths, references of different elements, or the details of the base plates. By marking the checkboxes on the right-hand side, we can include information regarding the effective length factors, deflection limits, and fixity at ends in the XY and XZ drawings of each bar. In Envelope, located at the bottom, we activate the visibility of the forces, deflection, and stress envelopes. With the pen thickness and text option, we modify the pen thickness of the elements in the drawing and the text size. We can also manage layer visibility by clicking on the corresponding button. In the pop-up window, we activate or deactivate the different checkboxes to make each one of the layers or the elements contained in each of them visible. If desired, we can represent the structure using layer colours. Optionally, we can add construction details to the drawing. To do this, we click on Details at the bottom. In the window with the same name, when clicking Add, we access the program's Construction Details library, where we find all the available details organised into different tabs. After selecting a detail, we click on Accept to incorporate it and indicate whether or not it will be displayed in all the drawings. We can also add user information by creating our own detail library and loading it with the DXF or DWG files we deem necessary and clicking Accept. Returning to the Drawing Editor window, we accept again to add the drawing to the drawing selection list. We must repeat this process to add all the desired drawing types into the project. In the top part of the drawing selection window, the program offers tools to edit, copy, delete, and move drawings in the list. The program will print the drawings that have the Draw checkbox enabled. By activating with text box, we add a box indicating the drawing type and its scale. Further to the right, we select the peripherals. We can export the drawings in a DWG or DXF format, or print them directly using graphic devices and printers configurable in the program. At the bottom of the window, we have a series of additional options. With Title Block, we can import them from a DWG or DXF file, use predefined ones, or reserve an empty space on the drawing to then add the title block manually to another drawing program. We can store the selection of drawings we have made and exit the window without generating them, while still keeping everything we have created by using the Save option. In Layers, we can sort and modify the name and colour number of the layers that are generated in all the drawing types. The colour number can be associated to a different colour in each drawing program. When clicking on Accept, we go to the Drawing Composition window, where we have a preview of the drawings to be generated and the objects they contain. In this window, we can carry out certain operations, such as create a new drawing by choosing its format, or delete empty spaces that do not contain any objects. With Edit Object, we move the text inside each object. Alternatively, by using Move Object, we change the position of the objects or their placement in different drawings. With Center All Drawings and Center Selected Drawings, we can restore the original position of the objects. The objects located on the drawings are displayed without any details to speed up the aforementioned operations. To view their detailed content, we select Drawing Detail and click on the desired element, or we use Detail of all the drawings to show the information contained in each of them. Finally, we can print all the drawings, or just print the selection. If we have chosen to export to a DXF or DWG file, the program will ask us to choose the directory destination. If we have selected several drawings, we also choose whether we want to include one drawing per file, indicating its prefix, or if we want to include all the drawings in one file, in which case we type in the file name. Optionally, if we are only generating one file, we can display the file with the associated program. We finish when we click Accept, which generates the drawings in the chosen directory.